Very good morning, students, and welcome back in the online teaching of maths. See, students, we were there in the chapter number 13, Fields and Fancies, on the page number 156. So we were here over here in the question number 4. So let's begin with that question number 4. Usha and Valsama are running a race. Usha is running on the inner circle, the Valsama is running on the outer circle. See, they have shown over here a picture. The two girls, the Usha and the Valsama, they were running over the circle, right? One is running in the inner portion of the circle, means on the circle, and the another one is running in the outer portion of the circle. So, what we have to find? Let's see. Valsama runs faster than the Usha, but still she loses the race. Can you guess why? So, the Valsama is running faster than the Usha, but still she loses the race. How and why? That we have to find. And the next one is, have you seen any race when runner starts from the different places? Like in this picture, guess why? See, they are telling that in a running race, the runner starts from the different places. See, one is from here, another one is from here, and the third one is from here. So they are asking that why and what is the reason of that thing. So let's move to the solution book and find that what was the answer. See, we are over here. Usha and Valsama are running a race. Usha is running on the inner circle and the Valsama running on the outer circle. Valsama runs faster than the Usha but still loses the rate. Can you guess why? So let's find the answer that since inner boundary is smaller than the outer boundary, and as such Valsama has to run for more distance, therefore she loses the rate. This one, race. See, what they are telling that the inner boundary is smaller and the outer boundary is bigger than the inner boundary. So because of that, the Valsama had lost the race. Now let's move to the next one. Have you seen any race where the runners start from the different places? Like in this picture, guess why? See, what they are telling that, have you seen any of the races? Yes, in each and every races we have seen that the runners are running from the different places. Why? To make the distance equal. The running distance they will equal. How? By starting from the different places. Okay. So now let's move to the textbook again and we'll see the next question. The students of the class 3rd and 4th thought of making a vegetable garden. They chose a place which looked like this. See, here is the places and they are the students of the 3rd and the 4th. The students of both the classes thought that the garden one was bigger, so both wants to take garden 1. Suddenly Neetu said, I think both gardens are equally big. Quite possible. Let us find out you are right or not. So what they are telling that they are having a two places, garden 1 and a garden 2, and both of the class students want the garden 1. Why? Because they are thinking that the garden 1 is big, but the Neetu is having a conclusion that the both of the garden is equal. So let's see whether the gardens are equal or not. Let's move to the solution book. To find out if the two gardens are equally big, let us cover each garden with a cardboard of the same size without overlapping. We see that the same number of the cardboards cover each garden. Therefore, we can say that the two gardens are equally big. See, what they are telling that in this both of the garden measurement is not given, right? Here any 2 centimeter or 3 centimeter is not given. Then how we will measure the garden? See, they are given one clue that take a cardboard and cut it in the same size of this one. Now place that cardboard over here and measure the garden. Okay, the four of the corners should be covered. Now the same cardboard you keep over here, and again you see that the same cardboard is covering the portion of the garden too or not. If it's covering the same thing, the same portion, then both of the gardens are equal. So see students, this is an activity you can do it at home. Cut the small piece of cardboard and place it over your garden 1. Okay, then after, just you have to see whether the four of the sides are covered or not properly. Okay, then after, take the same cardboard and place on the garden 2. Clear? Now if both are the equal or both are getting covered with the same cardboard, then both of the gardens are equal. So this activity you have to do, and it's in a homework. Okay students, so the next one, the page number 158, that we will complete in the next session. Okay, so we'll stop it over here, and that's all for the day students. Have a good day.